Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Roman numbers. So the Roman system for counting numbers uses 7 letters from the Latin alphabet to represent number values. So it's a Roman system which was adopted by old ancient Rome where they uses 7 basic letters to represent number values. These are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. So they used corresponding, now we use corresponding Hindu Arabic numbers. I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. So by using this alphabets, they represent all the numbers that we use in Hindu-Arabic system. So now let us learn the rules for writing Roman numbers. Number 1, repetition of numbers means addition. So here when we repeat a number, that means we are adding a number. For example, look at this, I for 1. So we are repeating this I 3 times. That means we are adding 1 3 times. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Same here. X for 10, right? So X, that means 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. But remember, no number can be repeated more than 3 times. This is also in the Roman that we cannot repeat a number more than 3 times. So here 1 can be repeated only 3 times. Up to 3 you can write. The 5 cannot be repeated. X can be repeated 3 times. That means up to 30 only you can repeat. C can be repeated 3 times and M can be repeated 3 times. So here 1, 10, C and M only can be repeated up to 3 times. And remember that the Roman system does not have a 0. So in Roman system it doesn't have any 0. Next one is a smaller number written to the right of a number of great value means addition. So when we write a greater value, a smaller value, write to the great number. So here look, 5 is greater than 1, right? So here 5 and 1, 1. So when we write a smaller number to the right side of a bigger number, it means addition. Alright, so here 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Same here. This 10 and 10, when it repeats, it becomes 20. Then another smaller number is written right to the bigger number, that is 5. So together it becomes 25. Do you understand? A smaller number written in the right side of a greater value. If we write a small number to the right side of greater value, that means we have to add. Now, a smaller number written to the left of a number of greater value means subtraction. So look here, there is a smaller value which is 1 is written in front of 5, and 5 is a bigger number. When we write a smaller number in front of a bigger number, it means subtraction. So here 5 is a bigger number and 1 which is smaller than 5 is written in front of it. That means minus 1, which is equal to 4. Same here in 9. 1 is smaller than 10 because x represents 10, right? So x, 1 is written in front of x. That means we have to minus it. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. See, in all, like 40, 90, 400, we like that. We write like that. Number 4. When a smaller number is placed between two number of greater value is subtracted from the number placed after it. For example, you can see here this is a 10 which is bigger number. This is a 10 which is also a bigger number. But in between these two bigger number, there is one smaller number. So what we will do? First of all, so it is subtracted from the number placed after it. For example, first of all, we will write this 10. Then we will subtract 1 which is smaller than 10 is in front. So what we will do? We will subtract it. So it is 10 minus 1 which is equal to 19. So before it there is a 10. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So again same here. This is 20 and this 1 is placed before before 5. That means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So total it is 24. So remember, when a small number comes between two big number, it is not added to the first number, but it will be subtracted from the second number. Understand? So there are some rules that should be in your mind when you subtract or when you add. For subtraction in addition to rule 3 and 4, there are few more conditions. So when you subtract and add to 3 or 4, there are some more rules are there that should be in your mind. Always remember, 1 can only subtract it from 5 and 10. I have seen some people writing IC as a 90. So how they write? Because I is 1 is smaller than 100. So it comes in front. So what they do? Minus 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. Okay. They write 99 like that. IC is equal to 99. But it's wrong. Because you cannot subtract 1 from 100. So remember, 1 only can be subtracted from 5 and 10. 10 can only be subtracted from L and C. C can only subtracted from D and M. So here 5, 50D, 5LD are never subtracted. So this cannot be subtracted. This 3. Alright? And one more thing, the Roman system does not use place value. So do you remember in this chapter itself we learn about place value system, but in Roman system there is no place value system. Okay. Let us do exercise 1.6. So here we have, in first question we have to convert two Roman numbers. Convert to Roman numbers. Question number A. So first we have 64. So first we will separate this to 60 and 4. How will you write 60? L x. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Then 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 64. And then we have 119. So we will separate 110 plus 9. 119. So C represent 100, then X represent 10 and IX represent 9. Number 3, 165. So 165. So C represent 100, 60 means LX and 5. Number 4, 197. So 197. So C represent 100, XC represent 90, and this is 7. Number 5, 178. So 178. C represent 100, L, X, X, 50, 60, 70. Then 8. So this is how we have to convert Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numerals. So rest of it from question number 6 to question number 12 is your homework. Alright. Now let us see how to convert to Hindu Arabic number. This number 1, X, X, 1, 5. So here we have double X. 1x means 10, next 10. 10, 10 become 10 plus 10. Repetition means addition, right? 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, and this is 5, and before 5 there is a 1 which is smaller. So 5 minus 1, 4. So this is 4. So answer is 24. Next number 2, XC111. So here XC means we know that 90, and repetition of 3 1 is equal to 3. So it's 93. Number 3, L means 50, X 10 60, 10 70. This is 5. So it is 75. Number 4, L triple X. So here L means 50 and X means 100. Oh, sorry, 10. Repetition of 3 10 means 30. 50, 30 is equal to 80. 80, and this is 1, 5. 1 V means 4. So it is 84. So number 5 we have XL. XL means 40 and V111. 31 means 80. So XL means 40 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 48. Can you do rest of it? Please do rest of it as your homework. I think you can. And those who cannot do, please let me know, okay?